Achiel kod jodak e kaunti ma Tana River dwaro mondo jataa tije ka duol mochung'ne rito lee mag bunge KWS mondo ogwe tao. Maeri en tok apisa 23 mag duolno e bade ma Tana River rem chopo mar lero gino manyo otimore kaluwore gi nek mar jakwath moro e gwengego. Komanda mar obila e kauntino Sadiq William ochiwo ler ni chenro mar fwenyo gige lweny mag obila osetieki kendo ibiro chwalgi e nyim oganda mar mondo mi joneno yangi kendo ne ni jal mowito ngimane oyudo ratiche.
Kanga, you either resign. If you can resign, you cannot resign. Reform. Just reform. Kama umeshindwa kazi ya KWS, tell us. Yes. Or resign.
Huyu mzee mwenye ameuawa juzi ni mzee kiungo kikubwa katika jamii. Nakemea kwa sababu huyu mtoto jana alikuwa na baba, leo ni yatima. Mama amekuwa mjane. Familia yote wamepoteza kiungo kikubwa sana katika familia.
Watoto zaidi ya 200 sasa ni yatima kwa sababu KWS wameua wazazi yao. Mimi nataka kushauri serikali na nataka kutoa ombi kwa serikali. Serikali, sisi tumefika mwisho. Hatuwezi kubaki na wajane kama huyu mama ambaye ako na watoto 11. Saa hii yeye ndo atakuwa baba, yeye ndo atakuwa mama.
We are still doing investigation on the issue of KWS having shot someone dead between Kone and Asakone. According to the DCI, already the investigation is complete. The ballistic report is out. What is remaining is identification parade. That was supposed to be done today, but we have rescheduled it